Right guys, so I'm just going to show you how to change the broken screen in a 5 Series BMW F10 model. First thing we need to do is rip out the dash. It looks uncomfortable, but it's quite easy. Right, we're just going to twist it upwards and then pull it down. And I shall just place it on my lap over here. And if you can see, there are just 2 screws over here. One over here and one just on this side. Once we open those screws, the screen should just pop out. Just got to work out what torque head it is. I think it's the T25. Here we go. Can we just turn the car off? So just underneath it. Right. Two screws, and you should be able to just tilt the screen upwards and pull it out and twist it over and just pull the wires out. And remove the clips. Just squeeze on the end of the clips, just there, and the same thing over here. You've got this little red, purple tab, and you just wiggle it out. And there's your screen in your hand in about 2 minutes. You can either change the whole unit, or you can do what I'm going to do, is change the whole LCD and keep the unit working. Right, pause.